What are we doing? What else? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Jenny. And if this is not your first time, thank you so much for being back. Before even jumping into the video, I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm borderline scared to record any other video. Because you guys gave me amazing feedback with the video that I just uploaded with my brother where my brother styles my hair. So now I'm like, oh, how am I supposed to top that and he's not here? So if you haven't watched it, this would be a good time to go ahead and watch it because you don't want to be missing out. You don't want to be the only one who has no idea what I'm talking about. So I'll go ahead and I'll link that video in the description. I'll also go ahead and link it somewhere on the screen. So for today's video, I'm really excited because this is the first time I try something like this where I am going to style half of my hair with curly products and the other half with absolutely nothing. Nada. And I am going to use products that I know for a fact work really well and give me the kind of volume, definition, and everything that I like. And I keep going like this, so I feel like this is the world signaling that this should be the side with the product, because that's like my better side. So I'll show you guys this side more. And then this side is like, no product. Now, I did decide that I'm going to do on both sides like the same technique. I'm just not going to add product on this side. Does that make sense? For example, I am going to brush my hair on this side with the Denman brush and then like scrunch it up with the cotton t-shirt. I am going to pick my hair. I'm going to diffuse it. I'm going to do like all of the same things to both sides. The only difference is that on this side, I'm not going to add like any product at all. And I actually have somewhere to be tomorrow morning. And it is now, it's 12:04, so I didn't think this through very well. But it's okay, I'll figure it out. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and re-wet my hair a little bit. It's getting kind of dry. So now that my hair is wet, I'm going to go ahead and just split it down the middle. Now this part is already a little bit different because I normally don't part my hair down the middle while I'm styling it. I think what I'm going to do is while I'm applying the product, I'll have my hair split down the middle. But then when I'm diffusing it, I'm going to make it a point to like flip it forward and try to get rid of like this really intense like marked line. Just because in the past when I've styled my hair this way, it looks very different. Like it looks very flat up on the top, and you guys know how I feel about flat. No bueno. First thing I'm going to go in with is the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Detangling Spray. Next, I'm going to go in with the Ouidad Featherlight Styling Cream. This is like one of my favorite styling creams ever. I'm going to go ahead and rake this in. What's good about this is that it's going a lot faster, of course. I'm so predictable. I have such a hard time not using this product. I actually told myself, no, Jenny, you use this in like every single one of your videos. But then I was like, so, who cares? I'm going to be using the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel. I'm going to do the same thing, just like rake it in. I seriously can't believe I didn't think this through, and the fact that like I have somewhere to be tomorrow early in the morning. Now I'm going to either have to like redo my hair after I'm done filming this video, or I'm gonna have to like wake up super early tomorrow. Still haven't decided what I want to do. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the products. It feels so strange because I feel like I literally flew by that. I feel like I'm missing something, but I'm really not. So we're pretty much done adding the products. Now I'm actually going to brush out my curls with the Denman brush and then scrunch them up using my cotton t-shirt. This is something I pretty much do every single time I style my curly hair. I'm gonna do that to both sides. I don't think it's fair to this poor side if we're gonna neglect it of absolutely everything. So we're just gonna neglect it of product, but everything else I'm still gonna do to this side. I'm just gonna add water. I'm impressed because wet, you can't really tell the difference between one side and the other. Not too bad. So now that the product is on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it forward and try to do something about this, because if not, it's not gonna be pretty. Alrighty. All I did was I flipped my hair forward and I'm trying to like soften up this line that I have going on right here. It didn't work very well. It didn't work very well. I'm actually gonna have to like go back and like retouch some areas that I know are gonna be really frizzy. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like re-wet a little bit of my hair and then I'm just gonna brush it back. Okay, so now that the line is gone, that line was literally driving me insane. So now that the line is gone, I'm gonna go ahead and flip my hair forward again, run the Denman brush through it, and then like scrunch it up again. Now I'm not gonna be adding any more product. So I think that now I am ready to diffuse. I was able to do something about this line situation that I had going on. The diffusing part, I'm going to do exactly the same as I normally would. I'm just going to like flip my hair forward and to the side and to the other side until it's 100% dry. You guys will see that I'll be doing like my little scrunching motions like throughout. So that I'm going to do to both sides exactly the same. Alright, so my hair feels pretty much 100% dry, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit afraid to flip it completely forward and reveal what's going on underneath there, but let's do it. Shut up. Wait, hold on. I don't even know what to say. I was expecting something horrible, like while my hair was flipped forward and I was diffusing it and I was kind of looking at what was happening, I was terrified. It looked so bad, but okay, all right, so let me relax. Let me relax because I feel like I'm jumping to conclusions. All right, so at first glance, I have to say I am so just, that's how I feel. I wasn't expecting these results. I feel like the side that has no product, it is not perfect. And obviously like right here, it's just like this little bit right here, you know, but we could just go ahead and turn that like that. Try to hide it, but I have to say it looks pretty good. You guys, this is insane. I mean, I can't believe there's like actual definition. And I'm gonna tell you guys something. You want to know what this is? This is the Denman brush. That Denman brush is like something else. It is like out of this world. So I am convinced that this definition that I have is all thanks to the Denman brush. But okay, so let's go ahead and let's continue because we're not done. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna like touch up the little bit of hairs that got like a little frizzy. Where's my curl cream? Okay, so I'm gonna touch up those curls with the curl cream. Only on this side because we're still no product on this side, so that still applies. So I'm gonna go ahead and just touch up these little curls right here because once I do this, I'm gonna diffuse a little bit more because the back of my hair on this side, I just felt it. It's still a little bit wet, so I want to dry that up really good. And then we're going to pick, I'm like really nervous about picking this side. Now I'm going to go back and diffuse a little bit more. All right, I still can't believe this. I even have like more volume and everything on this side, which I'm not surprised because I've always felt like product, no matter how light the product is, it always weighs down my hair because just my hair is like ridiculously thin. So anything that you put on it, it just bloop. This is the craziest thing in the world. So now we have to pick. I am so scared. So I'm gonna start picking this side because while I pick this side, I'm going to think about and try to determine what I'm going to do with this side. Because to be honest with you, like it looks so good that I just don't want to mess it up. So I think I'm just going to like pick it up like a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, so we are done picking on this side for now. Let's go ahead and work on this side. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want to ruin anything. I don't know about you guys, but I honestly still can't believe it. I definitely saw this video going very different. Very different. I think that's it. So now I'm going to go in and on this side, I'm going to put a little hairspray. Ooh, God, I feel like all my hairsprays are like acting crazy. What's going on here? No, I love this hairspray. Okay, let me flip it forward. Okay, much better. That's what I was missing. All right. So let's go ahead and talk about the differences. I feel like the biggest difference is, I don't even know. I think the biggest difference is that obviously this is a little bit frizzier, especially right here. Like this is, even for me, I feel like this is a little too frizzy for me. But like if I cover this right here, like we pretend like this doesn't exist. I mean, those are really pretty curls. Really, really pretty. And you guys can't feel it, but I feel a difference. These curls actually feel softer, but they feel a little more fragile. Something that's like very surprising to me is one of the other differences that I can tell right away is the difference in volume. This side just naturally has a lot more volume than this side because, I mean, look. You guys saw, I picked this side so much more. I barely went in on this side and just like picked it just to say I did. When you look at it, this side looks so much fluffier and it has so much more volume than this one. Like, oh no, this was literally making me want to just keep picking it. So that just goes to show that product really does weigh down your hair. And you know what? The more I look at it, the more I feel like the curls on this side are actually more defined than some of these. Like these look thin and some of them even look a little bit more stringy. Not like in a bad way, you know, but when I compare, like these curls look just so fluffy, very, very bouncy. And these, now that I'm really looking at it, like some of these right here, you see? So I'm not quite sure if it was like so much of the brushing that I did. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure why, but it's crazy to compare like one and the other, and the fact that I don't hate this at all. Like this literally makes me want to do my entire hair without any products to see what it would look like because it's amazing. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stand still so you guys can see the difference. Okay, maybe I'll turn just a little bit. guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. Let me know in the comments section if you were surprised or as surprised as I was, because I was not expecting this video to go like this, but I am pleasantly surprised because, like I said, I have somewhere to be. It is very late and I thought I was going to have to like redo this whole side, and I'm not. I'm just gonna touch up some of these curls that are a little bit frizzy and then call it a day because I am tired. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up to let me know that you like it. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye!